Hi everyone. Am I audible and visible properly to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chaliye. I request everyone to sit comfortably in an easy posture. Stay seated comfortably. If you require, you can use support behind your back. If you need a cushioning under you, you can put a cushion under you also if you're sitting on a floor. Now roll your shoulders back. Keep your spine straight. Gently close your eyes. Bring your all attention and awareness towards your breath. Continue deep breathing. Let go of all the outside distractions, any kind of thought, whatever is running through your mind. Exhale it out with each breath and let it go. Free your body and mind. Sit comfortably, relax your face, your shoulder, your whole body. Now, to start our class, together we will chant one time Om. So breathe in deeply. Inhale and exhale. Bring your both palm in front of your chest. Bow your head down. Namaskaram. Good evening to all. I hope you all are doing well. This is Anjali Negi. Today I'll be taking the session because the instructor for this class was not available today. So let us start with today's practice of dhyana. So dhyana is a state which comes after pranayam. In Yoga Sutra, it is mentioned that कि जब हमारा प्राणायाम सिद्ध हो जाता है फिर हम ध्यान की स्थिति में एंटर करते हैं. So that's why we start with the breathing control whenever we start with the meditative practices. So what you need to do is sit here comfortably. First we will focus on our breathing. When we sit, make sure the shoulders are back and relaxed, okay? And now close your eyes. आंखें बंद. Breathe in deeply through your both nostrils. Notice the sound of the breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Today, we will practice Isha Kriya, which is the method founded by Sadhguruji. So, in this practice, what you need to do, whenever you breathe in, you have to say to yourself that I am not the mind. And whenever you breathe out, say it to yourself, I am not even the body. Breathe in, I am not the mind. Breathe out, I am not even the body. Keep your palm over your knees. Continue this thought with each breath. I am not the mind. I am not even the body. I am not the mind. I am not even the body. Continue this for a few more minutes. Keep saying it to yourself and इस थॉट पे पूरा चिंतन करेंगे. Breathe in, I am not the mind. Breathe out, I am not even the body. I am not the mind. I am not even the body. शरीर में कोई हलचल नहीं, मन और शरीर बिल्कुल स्थिर. Keep breathing. Go into the more deeper level of consciousness with this thought. Lift your chin slightly and now move your focus between your eyebrows without straining your forehead or eyes. With closed eyes, you need to do this. Chin slightly up. Focus between your eyebrows with closed eyes. Now chant a sound along with me. First, I'll do it, then repeat after me. In one breath, you need to produce this with the vibration and feel the vibration with each round. Chant along with me. Breathe in. One more time. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the vibrations all around your body, in your mind. Spine completely erect, and stay still with the complete state of silence and stillness here for 2 to 3 minutes. बिल्कुल मौन की स्थिति में सभी एंटर करेंगे और जो भी वाइब्रेशन, जो भी साउंड अभी आपके अराउंड है, contain this energy, this vibrations within you. Avoid any outside distraction. If your mind wanders around, if any thought comes, just simply observe it and let it go. Do not hold on to anything. Feel how your body is becoming lighter and lighter with each breath here. आपका शरीर आपको बिल्कुल रुई के समान हल्का महसूस होता है जब आप बिल्कुल ध्यान की स्थिति में हो जाते हैं और कुछ समय बाद शरीर का आभास होना भी बंद हो जाता है. Try to reach that state with deep breathing here. आपका हर एक श्वास इतना सूक्ष्म हो कि श्वासों की आवाज कानों तक ना पड़े. Keep your breath as subtle as possible, that the sound of your breath must not be heard by your ears. Stay focused on your breathing. Increase the length and duration of your breathing with each round. Count in your mind and keep inhaling for 5 to 6 seconds or more. And keep the duration of exhalation part for the same number or more than that. Stay focused. Keep breathing. Do not drop the chin down. Chin will remain parallel to ground or slightly up. Continue deep breathing and exhale. Relax. Now we will do Bhramari Pranayam for 5 rounds. For Bhramari Pranayama, you need to cover your ears with your thumb, eyes with your fingertip, and produce humming sound or chant Om with closed eyes, ear, and mouth for 3 rounds. Breathe in. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Continue deep breathing. Keep your eyes closed. Feel the vibrations inside your mind, around you. Now join your both palms in front of your chest in Namaskar Mudra. We will chant one time Om, then Maha Mrityunjay mantra now. Breathe in. Do not leave the session. I'll be sharing very important thought at the end of the session, okay? So stay with me. Keep your eyes closed, join your palms together. Breathe in deeply. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandena Mrityormukshi Yamamrita. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bow your head down towards your palm. दोनों हाथों को अच्छे से रब करेंगे. Rub your palms together. And now place your both palms over your eyes, on your forehead, over your neck, your chest, your lower back, and both thighs and knees. Okay, so what I was about to share was that in a quantum theory, it is defined that our mind and our body is our consciousness and our body basically is the separate entities. So in Yoga Sutra, which is written by Maharshi Patanjali, it is mentioned that whenever our chitta, which is the consciousness, that flickers उसके ही वजह से हमारी बॉडी में जो चेंजेस आते हैं, हमारे जितने भी मेंटल थॉट्स होते हैं वो हमें कंट्रोल करने लग जाते हैं। सो जो हमारी चित्त की वृत्तियां होती हैं उन्हीं को हमें योग के थ्रू धीरे धीरे कंट्रोल करना होता है और रिमूव करना होता है। सो उसके लिए एक होता है चित्त प्रसादन, कि हम अपने चित्त को कैसे खुश रख सकते हैं। सो एक सूत्र है जिसमें बताया गया है कि मैत्री करुणा मुदितोपेक्षाणाम पुण्य पुण्य विषया चित्यानाम। सो मैत्री करुणा, सॉरी, मैत्री करुणा मुदितो और उपेक्षा। सो जो मैत्री विच इज द फ्रेंडशिप, किससे करनी है? फ्रेंडशिप करनी है हमें अपने पुण्य कर्मों से, और मुदिता करना है हमें अपुण्य कर्मों से। और उपे एक सेकेंड ना, आई वाज जस्ट गेटिंग अ कॉल बिहाइंड। मैत्री करुणा मुदितो उपेक्षा। सो चार चीजें हैं: मैत्री फ्रेंडशिप, मुदितो विच इज द हैप्पीनेस, करुणा विच इज द courtesy or the sympathy, और उपेक्षा मीन्स टू किससे दूर रहना है, टू कीप अ डिस्टेंस अवे। सो मैत्री करनी है हमें सुख दुख पुण्य अपुण्य। सुख से हमें मैत्री करनी है, जो चीजें हमें हैप्पीनेस प्रोवाइड करेंगी। पुण्य कर्मों से हमें मैत्री करनी है, फ्रेंडशिप करनी है, टू फॉलो द फ्रेंडशिप वाला पार्ट विद द मैत्री, विद द पुण्य कर्म। एंड करुणा किससे रखनी है? जो व्यक्ति दुख में है उनसे करुणा रखनी है। और उपेक्षा किससे करनी है? जो अपुण्य कर्म है, अपुण्य हो गए जो हमारे जितने भी बैड कर्मास होते हैं, बैड जितने भी हमारे शास्त्रों में जो भी बताया गया है विच इज नॉट राइट, है ना, तो उनको उनसे हमें उपेक्षा करनी है, टू कीप अ डिस्टेंस अवे फ्रॉम दैट। सो when we follow this, so our chit becomes little bit enlightened, and also we feel more happier from inside, right? I hope मैं थोड़ा सा point out कर पा रही हूँ. I was preparing this for this session. I think it might not be just clear because I'm not used to take meditation classes, but yeah, I think most of you got the idea what I'm talking about, right? चलिए, if you have any questions, you can ask me right now. I'm not expert in the meditation classes. I was just delivering whatever I know. Okay. If you have anything, if you need to ask, you can tell me or ask right now. All right. I think there are no questions.
You are all-rounder, Anjali.
Thank you so much, Jashri ji. That means a lot. Okay. I hope everyone today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. Shubhratri to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Good
You.
night.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye.